Welcome to the Basic Cooking Terms course for waiters and kitchen staff. This course will introduce students to key cooking terms used in restaurants, helping them understand menus better, communicate confidently with guests, and provide accurate recommendations. In this course, we'll cover 5 main categories of cooking terms. First, basic cooking methods, things like bake, fry, grill, braise, and blanch, and how they change the texture and flavor of food. Next, we'll move into cutting and preparation techniques, where you'll learn knife cuts and prep terms such as dice, julienne, chiffonade, fillet, hull, and knead. We'll then look at sauces and mixtures, with words like aioli, ganache, espagnole, emulsify, incorporate, and cream. From there, we'll explore finishing and presentation, the terms that give dishes their final polish, like gratin, glaze, drizzle, baste, flam, and en papilote. And finally, we'll wrap up with special cooking processes, unique techniques such as caramelize, aging, coddle, dredge or dusted, and fold. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp of the language chefs use every day and the confidence to explain dishes clearly to your guests.